Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is February the 1st, 2022. Has Microsoft hit the bottom? Yeah, have we seen the bottom come in for Microsoft? Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin. This is what I'm going to talk about today. I'm going to show you what I'm looking forward to into the market in Microsoft so that we can be in position and continually dominate this stock market. So if you guys appreciate it, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe, follow this particular channel, follow this particular platform to ensure you stay updated as to what I'm noticing on the price chart without the confusion. Now, before I break this pretty good comeback that we've seen in Microsoft of late and see where we're going to go next, let me talk about my last video, my last price prediction, which is right here. You guys can see it. Yes, I'm probably one of the only ones on YouTube giving you verifiable transparency regarding what I'm looking forward to in the stocks. I'm not here telling you to hold for the next 45 years. No, I want to show you that you can actually pinpoint accurately where price is going to go and then turn. I mean, for instance, look, January the 15th was the last video that I did for Microsoft right here. And I was playing a little bit of weakness. Now, look how low the price went. Yeah, pretty much where I said it was going to go, right before the price went up. So we should not be surprised to see the market in Microsoft on January 24th turn around. Price was falling on my video that I did on the 15th, and we flipped on the 24th. This is why you have to plan on when you're going to exit the market. Yes. Now, there's two ways that you can exit any particular position you have. Two ways. One way is what I do. I do price targets. I give you a price level for you to exit, for us to leave our predictions and move on. Or you add a time horizon. Many people on YouTube say they want you to exit a position in 3, 5, 15, 20 years. Wherever the price is, right? This is the way that you leave markets, either on a time horizon or on a price target or price level, right? I've been showing you all price targets on when to leave. Now, you should have left on January 24th, 2022. That would have given you around 9.6% profitability. Yeah, so that's done. That is over. You guys can see that it has staged a massive comeback in Microsoft. So what do you think now? Yeah, what do you think now? Are we going to continue to see this price in Microsoft go up, or are we going to see it go down? Take a look at this. I'm going to take this horizontal line right here, and I'm going to take it to where the market went, because this lets us know that this is where the majority of the market buyers came through. Right here. So possibly we could be creating two things. One, the market in Microsoft could actually be creating a trading channel, right? We might actually see the market in Microsoft create a trading channel. That's one thing we might see. Or two, this is the second thing we might get. The market in Microsoft might be creating a downtrend. Either or. Right? I'm not looking at a bullish market right now. Overall, for Microsoft, it's either going to be a consolidation of trading range, or the market in Microsoft is going to continue to trend lower. Now, we already created, the market has already told us where it was willing to prop up the price. That's the first thing we got created. So the second thing we need to determine is whether or not we are going to be in a downtrend, right? Or are we going to be consolidating? That is yet to be determined into the market in Microsoft. Either or. But considering how much volume came into the market as we fell in Microsoft recently, kind of lets me know that we may actually be starting a consolidation range. Now, I want you all to see this. I mean, this goes from 280 all the way up there to around $345. That's a very wide range. That's a price difference of around percentage difference of around 22%, right? So I'm going to hold this here. I'm going to create the outlook, the field as a play as to what I'm looking for the market to do. Okay. Now I want you all to see this too, that this is a restriction area right here. If Microsoft gets rejected right here, we know that the market is still weak. We still know that the price is really going to continue and probably come back down and test this $280 to $290 area. keep your eyes open right there on this $317 price. Okay, right there. Now let me show you the monthly time frame in Microsoft, so you guys can see we saw a lot of volume. Look at this. The month of January, we haven't seen this much volume since March of 2020. This will really let us know for the month of February if there was more selling or were there buying going on. So the month of February is going to be real important on how we close. So the next 28 days, let's see how the market reacts in Microsoft. 2 weeks time frame. So the 2 weeks time frame pretty much lets us know that the buyers did step in. Okay. Now I'm going to place some strength on this particular price prediction in Microsoft, but my eyes is focusing on right there. Like I told you, $317. If we cannot break that to the upside, we got a little bit more things to worry about, because it tells me that we don't have enough momentum to keep the market going up, and we're going to come back down. All right, so keep your eyes open on $317. I do see the strength that came through last 2 weeks, and I even definitely see it here on this weekly time frame there. So the market is telling me that we got a little bit more strength mixed in with what happened recently with the price going down. Okay, so on this particular price prediction that I'm going to do today, I am going to play the strength here into the market. Okay, now let's see what we got though, because it might not be worth it if the price gets rejected at $317. That's only 2%. Yeah, 2%. That's it. So that's my first price target though, because I want us to be prepared to where market could flip. So we got 317 first. Second area is going to be up here towards 325. That's only 4%. And the third area is 330. Okay, so we got 317, 320, 325, excuse me. So we got $317 first as our first price target, 325 second, and then 330 third. Okay. And I'm going to bring it up there towards 290. So pretty much as long as the market in Microsoft holds $290, I'm looking for the market to consolidate with the probability of us seeing price go up. All right, so let me zoom this in so you all can see it as to what my expectations are. Okay, so that's it. You guys can see it. This is my current price prediction right now to the market in Microsoft, and I want to know, I mean, what do you all think? Do you think we're going to create a consolidational trading channel like this, or do you think we're going to break down and break 280? I mean, which one do you think is more likely? Because we need to get prepared for it. This is what I'm thinking right now. So let me know, what do you all think about the market in Microsoft? Where do you think we're going to go? How do you think the month of February and March is going to be in terms of price action in Microsoft? Let me know. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.